This tech tip shows you how to control the number of instances in a pattern using variables and expressions. In this toolbox design, the number of slots needs to vary as the height of the toolbox changes. This is accomplished by writing an expression that uses a variable and one of Onshape's built-in math functions called floor. The first step is to create a unitless variable that will represent the wall height in our expression. It needs to be unitless because we're also using it to drive the number of instances in the pattern. Next, the variable is assigned to the toolbox height. The final step is to enter the expression in the instance count field for the pattern. We use the floor function because the instance count must be an integer, and floor rounds the result of the expression down to the next integer value. The result is a pattern that automatically adjusts the instance count based on the toolbox height. Thanks for listening, and come back often for more tech tips. Bye for now.